finally did it, y'all! Solar panels! Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I show you how to effectively use smart technology, vegan food, and sustainable travel and lifestyle habits to live an adventurously green life. In this video, I'm sharing with you that we finally got solar panels. Our last update about this was over a year ago when we first announced that we were planning to get them once our home was finished being built. Hey guys, we have an announcement to make. We are building a home and we are so super excited about it.
Do a new construction home with Tesla solar tiles if it's available in our area at the time our roofing begins. If not, we'll also be looking at Tesla solar panels as well.
Well, we've come a long way since that video. Our house is finished, we moved in, and we immediately got to work on transforming it into our ultimate smart home. And if you want me to do a whole other video giving you a tour of our smart home and all the smart tech in it, drop me a comment below. The latest, greatest, and biggest addition to our smart home is solar panel installation. When we first thought about doing this, we were thinking about getting a Tesla solar roof. There were a few reasons why we didn't go with Tesla, the main one being that it's not even offered in the state of Georgia. And they said they had no plans of coming here anytime soon. And we definitely weren't about to wait. So we found a company in Georgia called Creative Solar. They were selected as the official residential installer for Solarize Atlanta, which is a community-based solar energy group purchasing campaign that makes solar more affordable and accessible for us residents here in ATL. Y'all, there is so much to talk about when it comes to solar panels. When I shared the installation in my Instagram stories, I got messages from people saying they were happy for us, but they didn't really know what solar panels even do, how they work, or why we got them. So this video is especially for you guys. So let me break down for you how they work, what our installation was like, and how they're adding so much value to our lives. So what are solar panels? The most basic definition I can think of is that they are panels that convert sunlight into electrical energy that we can use to power our homes, buildings, cars, and other electric devices. How do solar panels work? Each solar panel has what's called PV cells that are angled towards the sun, and throughout the day they catch sunlight from sun up to sunset, generating direct current energy from it. Now that energy goes into an inverter, which converts the direct current into alternating current that flows right into your home, and it can power the stuff you have plugged up. Why do people get solar panels? There are great reasons why people get solar panels. Reason 1, it serves people like me with environmental interests. Solar energy creates clean, renewable power from the sun. It's an alternative to fossil fuels that reduces your carbon footprint at home and lowers greenhouse gases around the world. Most of the electricity generated here in America comes from fossil fuels like coal and natural gas, which is both expensive and harmful to the environment. Solar energy, however, is free and plentiful. If we could capture all of the sun's energy beaming down on our planet for just 1 hour, we could power the entire world for an entire year. Okay, reason 2, it saves people money on their power bills. Rooftop solar has the potential to provide a huge percentage of our energy needs. That means you pull less from the grid or the utility company. And pulling less from the grid means lower power bills. Harness the free energy of the sun to power your home. Reason 3, it helps with home sales. On average, solar panels increase the value of a home by 4.1%. They are also sold 20% faster. That payoff might not entirely offset the purchase and installation cost of your solar panels, but it does cover a big chunk of the cost of buying and installing them. Speaking of the cost, let's dive into that. What is the cost? All right, so this all sounds incredible, but you might be wondering why more people don't have this if it has so many environmental and financial benefits. Well, one reason is cost. It's not cheap at all. Our solar system came out to roughly $24,000, which we paid for in full because we saved up for it. But because of the environmental benefits, we also get a 30% tax incentive, which reduces our cost to roughly $17,000. Costs vary depending on where you live though, and homeowners also have many options available to control those costs. If you want a video that goes deeper into financing options, drop a comment below. It's important to note that these tax incentives are being phased out. It will go down to 26% in 2020, 22% in 2021, and will go away completely for residential uses in 2022. So if you want solar panels for your home, 2019 is the best year to do it. What was the installation process like? Although the setup itself only took 2 days, the entire process took months, y'all. Like, the first step was to go through an assessment. We had several conversations with Creative Solar to determine our needs. Once we get all the details sorted out, then it went into the design phase. After that, we had to wait months to get a permit from the county. Once we got approved, it was time to schedule the installation of the panels, and the first opening for that wasn't until months later. It took about a day to put the panels on the roof, but the panels don't actually do anything until an engineer comes out to turn everything on. So that part happened about 2 weeks after that. 2 engineers came over and spent an entire day getting everything connected.
Okay, so this is where the solar installation starts. This is where we bring our power from. We do line side taps from the disconnect and tap it onto our disconnect. And then we bring our AC power in through conduit all the way up and into the house. There you go in. This is where our AC power comes in to feed the inverter. This is the inverter. This is the AC power where it lands. This is our DC power. It goes down into a box which feeds up through the walls, in through the attic, and then up into a box that goes under the shingles, which is up under the solar array. And then that's where it all ties in together. And then this right here is what changes the power over from DC to AC. And then it sends the AC power from here all the way back to your meter.
Now, once they were done, we were finally good to go. Now, the last step is for our energy company to come out to install or upgrade our meter so that we can utilize net metering, which will allow us to sell excess energy back to the utility company. Excess energy happens when our solar panels produce more energy than we're using at the time. It essentially creates a surplus of energy that goes back into the grid. What's it like living with solar panels? We have learned how to tailor our energy usage based on our solar panel system. We have a smart home with an electric car, and we can control when things turn off and on. So we schedule the charging of our Tesla and the appliances that use the most power to operate during the day when solar energy is being generated. What next? So that's pretty much it for our biggest house update ever. We're so excited, and even though it just happened, we're already seeing the benefits. I want to make more videos about our solar panel journey, so if you have any questions or topic suggestions, leave me a comment below so I can create even more solar content for you to enjoy. Now, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more sustainable smart tech videos headed your way. Until next time, y'all, keep on living an adventurously green life.